Hi, I'm Slavic with Idrinkcoffee.com. Today I'm presenting the Futurete Horizont commercial espresso machine. The Horizont is a two-group machine from Portuguese manufacturer Futurete, who are relatively unknown in the North American market, but they make great machines at a fantastic price. The Horizont is very fully featured and it's priced at a level that is almost half its competition. To present this machine, I'm going to make a few different sets of drinks. I'm going to make a double shot of espresso, then a milk-based drink, and I'll also make an Americano. I'm going to point out some of the features of the Futurete. The first thing that we'll notice is all these buttons at the top. This machine has volumetric dosing, so each one of these buttons, the first four, can be programmed. You have your single short, single long, double short, double long, and you can program these to whatever you want. They're programmed using volume. The next button is just for manual mode if you want to turn the pump on and off, use it as a semi-automatic machine. And the final button is to dispense water out of the hot water spout. The machine uses modified E61 groups, and I say modified because the original E61 design wasn't meant to be volumetric. It was only meant to be a semi-automatic machine, so they do have to be slightly modified. They use solenoid valves instead of the traditional mechanical motion of an E61. Another thing I want to point out here is the cup height. The machine comes with these two cup risers, which I have installed right now, but if I take this away and move it aside, I've got a very high clearance. You can put a large to-go cup here, even a 20 ounce, very, very easily. So it has that height, so you can do different drink sizes in your cafe or restaurant. The machine has two steam arms, both on the left and the right, and of course they can both be used at the same time. It's powered using a 7.5 liter heat exchanger boiler, so 7.5 liters is quite a bit of capacity for a compact machine. You should have plenty of steam for your cappuccinos and lattes. Another feature that makes this machine quite unique is the fact that it has a water tank. You can plumb this machine in, of course. It does have a rotary pump and you can connect it to your water mains with this particular model. But up here we have a 3-liter water tank, so you can just put in water inside there rather than plumb it in. It's a little bit useful if you want to move the machine or if you want to use it for applications such as trade shows or catering or things like that. It really is useful and something that's not often found in commercial espresso machines. The drain, however, does have to go into something. So if you're using it at, if you're moving the machine and you want to use it at a trade show or something like that, you'll still have to drain into something like a bucket or something like that if it's not connected to your main drain system. So now I'm going to demonstrate the Horizont in action, and I'm going to make a couple of different drinks. So the first thing that I'm going to do is a double shot of espresso, and alongside the Horizont I'm using a Eureka Helios grinder. The Helios is an incredibly fast grinder. My grind time here is 3.65 seconds. It's really quick and easy. Now, this is a heat exchange machine, and I have had this on for some time, so I'm going to perform a cooling flush. I'm just going to put that into a cup here. I'm just running it on manual mode. I ran some water through to make sure that it's not too hot. Put in my group, and press the button. And the machine extracts automatically. It does have volumetric dosing, of course, so it will start and stop on its own. And there you have it, two great shots of espresso that are ready to enjoy. The next drink that I'm going to make is going to be a milk-based drink, a cappuccino, and I'm actually going to do two at one time. I'm going to put my cups right here, and I'm going to begin frothing in just a second. I just want to purge my wand just a little bit. And then again, I press my button that I have programmed, and I froth my milk. And what's great about volumetric machines is that you don't have to worry about turning off the pump, because it does all that for you. There we go. Steaming power really is amazing. This is a commercial machine, of course, so it has tremendous steaming power. We just add our milk now. It's a little frothy. My milk didn't turn out perfect, but that's what what I get for talking and frothing at the same time. And there I have 2 little lattes that are ready to enjoy. The final drink that I'm going to make is an Americano, and I'm going to do water first this time, so I'm just going to press the water button here, fill up my cup. Stop right about there. And you can see that this cup is now too high, of course, for this, so I'm just going to remove that cup riser and place it here, and I've got plenty of space to work with. And again, I just press my button for the double dose. Now that sound you hear in the background, that additional sound, that's actually a flow jet. I have this machine plumbed in using an additional auxiliary pump because I don't have a water connection in our studio here. But if it's connected to your water main, of course, you're not going to hear that sound. And here we have an Americano. Quick and easy. What we really like about the Horizont is its accessibility. Because of its lower price tag, it really opens the market up for other types of businesses. Smaller restaurants, cafeterias, bistros, even offices can use this machine to make espressos, lattes, and cappuccinos. It is a full-size commercial machine, so it can do quite a bit of volume. With that 7.5 liter boiler, you don't have to worry. You can easily make 200-300 drinks a day, and the Horizont won't quit. If you would like more information about the Horizont or how to add specialty coffee drinks like cappuccinos and lattes and espressos to your menu or to your business, please contact us at Idrinkcoffee.com. We're happy to help. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this about espresso machines, coffee grinders, and everything to do with coffee. Thank you for watching and have a great day.